Good evening and welcome to another installment of Garage Chemistry. So we have today another experiment that has to do with ions and metals and how they can be used to generate and conduct electricity. So if we take a look down here at our setup, we have what looks like a pretty complex set of colors and wires and tubes and liquids and stuff. So let's get into it. In these clear tubes is a solution of zinc sulfate, and sticking in them is a stick of zinc metal, a wire as it were. And attached to each of those wires is a black coated wire with an alligator clip attached to that piece of zinc wire. Now in the other ones, these blue solutions, we've seen this characteristic blue color before, that's copper sulfate. And sticking in there is a piece of copper wire, and attached to the copper wires is an alligator clip on a red coated wire that is going off to other places. Well, so in the middle too, we actually have these two wires hooked together, and over here, the outer two, these wires as of yet are not hooked together. And you'll notice that between them are these little what we call salt bridges. These are pieces of felt that have been saturated with a salt water solution so that there are ions in there that can help to carry electrical charge back and forth. Now when I take this LED right here and I hook it up so that the bent wire is hooked up to the black one and the red wire is hooked up to the straight one, you'll notice that the LED lights up. It's not very bright. It's a very, very dim LED, but it is in fact lit up. If I take it off, you can see that it no longer lights. Put it back on, LED lights up. What's going on here? Well, the copper is giving up electrons which are going through the wire, through the LED, through the other wire, over here into the zinc solution. The electrons are then being given to ions in the zinc solution, which are then causing zinc metal to deposit onto this wire. Those electrons are then being drawn through the other two, connecting the circuit, so that the movement of electrons is going all the way around the circuit. Once again, electricity only works if you have a complete circuit. So that's an example of what's called a galvanic cell, where it is the chemistry going on inside the cells that is actually generating the electricity that is lighting up the LED. That's it for this installment of Garage Chemistry. Hope you're having a great day.